Engine's in. Just got line up the clutch and the spline, lower it a little bit, and the engine mounts on. So to get it in, accessories off, I had to take the air compressor unit off again to make room, because it was getting stuck on the battery box, and I had the back of the engine facing that way, and dropped it in, and then get to a certain point, bring it around, drop it down. What else? So there's no fan on. I've got the viscous clutch on front here, just had enough room. So I've still got the exhaust flange to the actual muffler. The turbo's still on. I don't know how lining up the clutch spigot bearing and the actual clutch itself, if the two bolts on the manifold joiner here adapter are going to interfere, those two bolts down there, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to lower it down, try and line the clutch up now. Then there'll be the engine brackets to go on. The other thing was this unit here again for the, I think it's to do with your accelerator. I had that undone. I've just put it back on, but I had that undone, and so we've got to have it right out of the way. So that's where we're up to. Fingers crossed I don't have to take anything off or bring it back out. So worst case scenario, I think, if it won't line up, is I've got this turbo housing here. There's 4 bolts. 3 are easy to get to. The other one I have to take the shield back off and then come in from underneath. So it is doable, but it's going to be a pain. Alright, and that's where we're up to. That was just to show no black smoke. New engine shouldn't want to have any smoke. Fan shroud I made up out of some heavy duty 4 or 5 mil plastic I had around. Just shaped that below, 2 halves on the top. Don't know how well it's going to work, but it's protecting everything and it's going to help. It's got some wires to tidy up in here. AC wire, that's got to be fixed up. The next videos come up soon will be the hood, bonnet, whatever you want to call it, resprayed, buffed up, and then the roof. the rest of it will buff up without any paint. I'm going to repaint the top section, probably this rail here, up and around the back.